Hello and welcome to the Focus channel. In this video, we will explore the various types of operators available in JavaScript and how they are used to perform different operations. There are different types of JavaScript operators like arithmetic operators, assignment operator, comparison operator, string operator, logical operator, bitwise operator, ternary operator, and type operators. Okay, in this video we will dive into the arithmetic operator, and the remaining parts will be covered in the upcoming videos. In the JavaScript we have several arithmetic operators that they are used to perform basic mathematical operations, and they are includes the addition sign and subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and exponentiations. Before we are giving example to each of these operators, so let's understand these keywords: expression, operator, and operand. This is the result which is store the result of expression. The whole statement is called expression, and the equal sign and the addition sign, they are called operator, and the x and y, they are called operand. Now we understand the expression is made of operator and operand, and the whole statement are called expression. Okay, so let's give example to each of our arithmetic operator. Okay, let's start with the addition sign. The addition is used to add two numbers together. So let me define a variable with value of x, and let's assign a value of 10 to the x. Let's define a variable of y and assign value of 5 to the y. So let's see console.log. Let's get the log of these variables and add these two variable x and y by using the addition sign. Now we can write x plus y, and let's see the result. I'm going to run the JavaScript using the terminal of the VS Code. You can come to the view and open your terminal from here. Also, you can use the Control plus backtick to, it is a shortcut that you can press from your keyboard. If you want to run the JavaScript in the terminal, so simply you can write the node and the name of your file, which is in this case the file name is script. You can write .js, but it also works without .js. And as you can see, the result is 15. 10 plus 5, and we have 15 here. Okay, I'm going to drag it upper that you can see. Okay, let me clear the console. Okay, as you can see now, the result is 15. Okay, so let's test the subtraction. If we subtract, subtraction is used to subtract one number from another number. In this case, I'm going to subtract y from the x, and you can write like this: x subtract y. Okay, let's see the result. 10 subtract by 5, now you have the result, which is 5. And also let's check the multiplication. The multiplication is used to multiply two numbers together, and now I'm going to multiply 10 by 5, and you can easily write the multiplication sign between these two variables. And also let's clear the console and run the JavaScript file. Now we can, as you can see, we have multiplied 5 with 10, which is the result is 15. And also let's check the division. That division is used to divide one number by another. Okay, now I'm going to divide 10 by 5 and let's see the result. Okay, 10 is divided by 5, which the result is 2. Let's check the modulus sign, and which shows the remainder of division operation. And now clear the console and run the script again. As you can see, when we divide the 10 by 5, the remainder is 0. If I change the 5, for example, to 3, and let's see the result, now the remainder is 1, because the 10 is divided by 3, just only one remainder we have. Okay, and let's also check the exponentiation. The exponentiation is used to raise a number to a power. Now I'm going to raise the 10 to the power of 3 by using this sign, which is called exponentiation. And let's see the result. As you can see, the 10 to the power of 3, it is 10,000. It is 1,000, sorry. And we can also make it smaller to check with small number. As you can see, the 2 on the power of 3, which is equal to 8. Okay, now we understand the arithmetic operators. But remember, when you have a number and a string as a operand for the addition operators, JavaScript will convert the number to the string and then concatenate the two strings together. This is because the addition operator is defined to perform a string concatenation when at least one of the operand is a string. Okay, let's see in the example. Let me define a variable by the name of num, which is equal to 5, and the other variable let's define as a string, for example, hello. Now if we want to add this number together, so the addition operator will return concatenate the 5 to the hello. CLG and press the tab, you write the console.log, and now you can write num plus str. So let's check the result in the console. Okay, now you can see that it concatenates the 5 to the hello. Also, if we have a number inside, instead of hello, inside this quotation, which is the type is a string. For example, if we have 10 and we want to add 5 to 10, so now instead of adding these two numbers, the addition operator will concatenate the 5 to the 10. As you can see, it is 5 concatenated to the 10. Okay, so now you understand, if we have number and a string as an operand for the addition operator, the result will concatenate with each other. It is called type coercion, but in the upcoming videos we will also cover the type coercion, so you will understand deeply this subject. In this video, we introduced the type of JavaScript operators and explained the arithmetic operators like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, modulus, and exponentiations. We also understood how they work. We will learn the other types of operators in the upcoming videos. Thank you for watching. If you found this video useful, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.